Welcome to Differentiation Part IV, Trigonometric Functions. So in this video we will be doing trigonometric function derivatives, and the general rules are as follows. So there are 6 trig functions and we will be able to derive all of them. So d dx of sine of x is equal to cosine of x, d dx of cosine of x is equal to negative sine x, d dx of tangent of x is equal to secant square x, d dx of cot x is equal to, or cotan, negative cosecant squared x, d dx of secant x is equal to secant x times tangent x, and lastly d dx of cosecant x is equal to negative cosecant x times cot of x. Okay, so these are the general rules. I learned a nifty rule in school that you get negative values for your derivatives when the trigonometric functions start with a c. So like I've highlighted, negative value comes from a c trigonometric function. Okay, the first example is going to be d dx of 2 cosine x minus 4 tan x plus 3 secant x is equal to d dx of 2 cos x minus d dx of 4 tan x, sorry, writing error, plus d dx of 3 sec x. Then I'm going to take out the constants and put them in front, so 2 d dx cos x minus 4 d dx tan x plus 3 d dx sec x equals negative 2 sine x minus 4 secant squared x plus 3 sec x tan x. The next example is a bit more tricky. So I want to find dy dx of the function cos cubed x, which is going to be equal to dy du times du dx, and I'm going to explain that now. We are going to say that y is equal to cos cubed x, and going to replace the cos x with a u. So u is going to be equal to cos x, and then we are going to derive the u by saying u cubed is equal to dy du, which is equal to 3u squared. And u is equal to cos x, so du dx is just a negative sine x. We then plot that back into the equation, so 3u squared times negative sine x. We replace u with cosine x, and that becomes negative 3 sine x times cosine squared x. And hopefully you realize that you just need to take out parts and use the chain rule. Thank you for watching my video on differentiation.